Good morning, guys. I haven't done a lunch video in forever, so I am a bit rusty. This year I will only be preparing lunch for 2 kiddos because they're still in private school, only 2. The other 3 are off to high school, so yeah. Today they will be having fruit. So I have some apple and I have grapes. I soaked their apple in a little bit of lemon juice and a little bit of sugar, just so the apples don't get brown. And then Madison will be having a Cheetah Crunch. And then for her juice, she will be having apple mango. And then I sent her this rice pudding. Okay, sent her this rice pudding. And then they're having this guy right here, creamy Italian vegetable blend in their thermos. Their spork. I feel like I need to get another one, because this is for here. So I need to get her a fork for this. And Jackson's having the same exact thing, except his juice is just apple juice. And he's having a Dorito, their water. And that's it, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's another day of lunches. Yesterday I sent Maddie with a whole bunch of packages, and she came back home with all the packaged stuff. She's 5 and I forgot all about it. So today I emptied out everything out of the package, so that way when she opened her lunch box, everything is there for her to enjoy. So she's having an Uncrustable, some grapes, strawberries, sour cream and onion chip, and this yogurt right here. She got her spork and some apple juice and her water bottle, and that's all Miss Maddie's taking today. So we shall see if she eats everything. Jackson's having the same thing, except I left his still in the container, and he's gonna have a barbecue chip with his water. His juice is the mango and apple. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys have an amazing Tuesday, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Good morning. Today is Wednesday and the kids are having Lunchables. So Jackson's having this yogurt, Maddie's not, because I feel like when I send too much packaged stuff with her, she doesn't eat it. So Jackson's the only one that's gonna have this. I think it's called, I don't even know. It's just yogurt with some topping situation. I trashed the container, and I put his spork in here, and he loves these. This is the mango one. If it would only focus, it's not going to, but this is the mango one, and he loves this one. And then he's gonna have a bag of Doritos. Crackers, I put a little mini fork right here so that he can use to pick up his cheese and his turkey. Some grapes, tangerine, carrot, and some ranch over here. Madison's having the same exact thing, except she don't have the yogurt because she's 5 and she's not gonna eat all this food. She's having a Cheetos for something special, and then she's having an apple juice. She didn't drink her apple juice yesterday, and someone had told me to crack the seal and then close it so that it's easy for her to open these kind of juices, because Capri Sun has a recall on them, so I'm gonna stay away from those for a little bit. And I gave her a little pick right here to pick up her cheese and also her lunch meat. And then I'm gonna put some napkins, their water, and that's it for, what's today? Wednesday. I hope you guys have an amazing Wednesday, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another day of lunch videos. Today is Thursday. The TV is a little loud, I'm aware of that. Today they're gonna be having calzone, and I just put it in this foil paper just to keep it a little warm. So Maddie's having the same thing as Jackson. They're gonna have some strawberries, some grapes, cucumber. This is blue cheese. And then for Madison, I'm giving her this Cheetos crunchy, and then her juice is gonna be actually the apple juice. She's gonna have an apple juice, and then Jackson's gonna have the mango because he likes those the most. And it's the same thing for Jackson, except he's gonna have a Dorito.
Mommy.
Yes.
Why always me? I get these ones.
Which one do you want?
I wanted the blue one myself.
Which one?
The blue.
All right.
The blue.
Okay.
That was a yummy. That was my favorite.
Okay. Well, we'll swap that out. There you have it. So that's what she's having, and that's it. And just like that, a whole week of lunches are over. Tomorrow they're having McDonald's because they get out at 12 tomorrow, so there won't be any lunches for tomorrow, Friday. Yes, so lunches only go up to Thursday, so 4 days. So anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.